Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to view and arrange apps on your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So as a first step, to see the apps, we would need to go to our watch face and then click on the digital crown. Here you would see this grid with all of the applications which are installed on your watch. But if you don't like this grid and you would rather prefer a list, for that, we would need to scroll to the end of this page and then click on this button List View. After this, your applications will be shown in a list in alphabet order, but unfortunately we can't change the order of the apps. They are like they are. So this is it. Now, if you would like to change the position of the apps, it's only available on the grid view. And to do it, we would need to hold our finger on any of the applications and just move it to the place where would you like to see it. So like this, we can change the order of the apps on the grid. And this is it. Now click on the digital crown to save the changes, and now you have your custom grid order. And now the last question for today, how to uninstall apps. For that, we would need to hold our finger on the application and then click on this cross that you can see on some of the apps. So for example, let's delete this one. I'll click on it and click delete app. And this is it. Now I have uninstalled the application. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.